Good morning. It's Tuesday morning. We are not doing the mound today. Our skiddy broke down last night and it's not fixed yet. Our tracks won't be until Wednesday. So tomorrow we'll fix the tracks and maybe get back to the mound. We were called out to replace a pump on the mound and it being a huge ordeal. Let's go there, dig a line to the tank. We gotta pull that pump, which is the wrong pump to begin with. It's got a float on it. Then we dig up this side. We gotta take and put a filter on this side and close that side up. So we'll put you on, let you watch what we're doing. Today's gonna be one of the hottest days of the month, and we're digging. Maybe we chose the wrong day for this. There's our float tree. That will go inside the dose tank. And this is the alarm float. This goes off in the high water. It's off float, alarm float. Just got back to the job, see how far the guys got. Should be about done by now.
We still got to wire to the inside, but they didn't have enough on the spools.
100 degrees a day. One of the hottest days of this month. We're out here working the sun. What were we thinking? Well, we weren't thinking. That's what's wrong. So we about got this job done. They finished up a little wiring. We had to come back and install a filter. We didn't have the right stuff for that. That screws on there. That goes there. Septic tank, dose tank. Safety lid, pump. There's 3 floats and a pump. There's 4 wires coming up. Got a rope tied to it to pull it up. Safety ring and a lid. We're gonna bury this thing and call it a day. problem. But we'll be back a couple days, and he'll call you when we're done. When we're done. And
Thank you, man.
no problem. Nice meeting you. Thank you. Yes.